Right, now for the rest of the for stuff. First of all, the for update is that's the bit that goes in the end here. That's just another statement expression list which we've just covered, so that's that done basically. Then the bit in the middle here, this bit, the for expression. Any expression yielding a boolean will do for that. So it could also be a wrapped boolean, of course, in which case it's just unboxed. And the most general case will be something like this. What have we got here? B equals, well, that sets k to 6, and then it tests whether we see I is 6 there, so I minus 4 is going to be 2, and then it sets I to 2 and says does 2 equal that, and 2 doesn't equal 6, so that boolean is false, and because of that no statements down here are executed, and the execution continues after the for down here, so all this lot gets skipped. So that just demonstrates that if this boolean expression turns out to be false the first time you look at it, nothing gets executed in here. Well, we've looked at some fairly pathological examples of for statements, so I thought I'd better show some examples that are a bit more typical. Here's something which just fills an array with random numbers. Just declared the array there, and got a random number generator there, and just goes for I equals 0 up to the length of the array, and it this thing here, next int. If you look at the documentation for random, it generates a random integer from 0 up to 19. In this case, there's one less than what you pass in. And it's something which reverses the order of that array. And what this does is set up two indexes, the front index pointing to the front, and the back index pointing to the last element in the array, and that's a temporary variable. And what it does is swap over the front, the item at the front with the item at the back using temp. If you look at that, and it increments the front index and decrements the back index until they come together in the middle. And so long as front is less than back, then it continues doing this. And if you think about it, that will swap the all the elements over to reverse the order.